Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to play Audible on Google Home. So make sure your Google Home or Google Nest speaker is already set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone, tablet or computer. Did you get what I said? I said make sure that your Google Home or your Google Nest speaker is already set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone, tablet or computer. Now, since Audible doesn't support direct voice playback on Google Home, you will need to stream your audiobook from the Audible app or Audible website using Google Cast if available or Bluetooth. So Google officially supports playback from third-party audible providers using this method. So let's go ahead with the first method, which is to cast Audible to Google Home if the cast icon is available. So open Audible app on your Android or iOS device and sign into your account. Now start playing the audiobook that you want to listen to. Now while the audiobook is playing, just go ahead and tap on the cast icon in the top right corner of the player screen. Then a list of available Google Cast devices will appear. Tap the name of your Google Home or Google Nest speaker. Wait a few seconds for the connection to be established. Once connected, your audiobook will begin playing through the Google Home speaker. Use the Audible app to pause or resume playback, skip forward or backward, change the playback speed, and select a different chapter. Now, if you want to connect with the Bluetooth, which is the second method, that's if the cast option isn't available, just pair your mobile device, because you have to use a mobile device, not your laptop. Pair your mobile device with Google Home using a Bluetooth. Then say, "Hey Google, Bluetooth pairing." Then Google Home will announce that it's ready to pair. On your phone or tablet, open your Bluetooth settings, turn on Bluetooth if it isn't already established or enabled, then select your Google Home speaker from the list of available devices. Wait until the connection is successful. Open the Audible app and play your audiobook, and then the audio will now play through your Google Home speaker while you control playback from the Audible app. Google officially supports Bluetooth playback from third-party audiobook providers. Now, how do you play from the Audible website on your computer? Open your browser like I have done and sign into your Audible account. Then head over to library and go ahead and choose your Audible book. And once you choose, go ahead and start playing. If you're using the Chrome browser, just go ahead and select the three dots menu in the upper right corner and go ahead and select cast, save and share. All right, and once you click on cast, save and share, just go ahead and click on cast. Then choose your Google Home speaker from the list of available devices, and Chrome will stream the audiobook audio to your Google Home speaker. And that's it. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.